Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, there was a strong upside on the chart of gold yesterday when gold made a high of 1924.25, and the reason was DXY. DXY showed a big drop yesterday after the retail sales report, which was worse than expected. DXY made a low of 101.50 and then recovered again. Overall, the range of DXY is still the same. We can see the DXY is still trading within 102, 103 only. Right now standing at 102.46. The overall range of DXY is still the same, that is 103.50 and 101.25. Okay, this is a range of DXY. If DXY breaks 101.25, then DXY will be in trouble. But today there is a news. And the news is dollar rises on safe haven bids, yen regains footing. The dollar rose broadly on Thursday as growth concerns about the US economy drove demand for the safe haven greenback. Greenback here means the dollar. So there is a possibility that we may see some upside, some sort of recovery on the chart of US dollar, DXY, in the coming days. Okay. Now let's talk about the chart of gold. So after making a high of 1924.25, okay, there was a sudden drop on gold and right now standing at 1901. Yesterday when gold was coming down, to be honest, I was hoping that it would touch our support level around 1893 to 1890. Okay, but sadly the market bounced from 1897 and I could not enter. So right now there is still a good possibility that market may come to the level of 1893.90. But my dear friends, if the selling pressure remains like this, then you can expect the market to take support. If market bounces, you can go for a buy position. But on the other hand, in case there is a sudden selling pressure like this, means there's a high selling volume, then obviously market will break this level and you cannot take any buy position. So when market will hit 1893 to 1890 level, market will enter inside this zone. Observe the market. If you see market taking support, if you see market showing price rejection from below, then only take a buy position. If not a trend reversal, at least we can expect a profit of 40 to 50 pips. And on the other hand, due to high selling pressure, if market breaks this level, then next support on the chart of gold will be 1880 to 1876. The reason behind 1880 to 1876 is, again, we are considering Fibonacci 50% retracement here because we can see the market is respecting Fibonacci levels. So in this uptrend market, in this trending market, okay, we only have Fibonacci right now for our help. So Fibonacci is also working our levels. So as a result, okay, we can use them as support. So here you can see around Fibonacci 50% retracement level, market has shown nice price rejection from below previously. Okay, so as a result, we are considering 1880 to 1876 as the next support zone on the chart of gold. Market is also approaching the 50 moving average here. This line, this is the 50 moving average. We can observe the market 50 moving average also, but I think that market should come down to 38.2% retracement of the Fibonacci, and that will be a better position to take a buy if market bounces. And we do not have any strong resistance zone on the chart right now. Okay, you can see that this is the only resistance zone. Yesterday we tried to figure out some resistances with the help of Fibonacci like this, but we could see that it did not work. So as a result, these levels are of no use. In case market goes up and enters inside this zone again, that is 1925 to 1930, observe the market If market reverses, we can consider taking a sell position again. But apart from 1920 to 1925 30, sadly, we do not have any other selling opportunity on the chart right now. Logical selling opportunity, because we do not have any strong resistance in between. Right now, market is standing at 1901, 1925, 1930 is far away, but sadly, we have got nothing. If you're wondering about this particular level here, 1911, it may work, it may not work. We are not sure. Okay, but we are confident about this particular resistance zone here. Okay, and one more thing I would like to mention here is that yesterday somehow market failed to cross the previous high. Okay, failed to cross the previous high. So yes, this may bring some sort of reversal also. I'm not saying that today itself we will get a trend reversal on the chart of gold, but yes, yesterday market failed to cross the previous high, so this may be a sign of trend reversal in for the coming days. Okay, let's wait and watch. By tomorrow or by next week, we will get a clear picture whether there is a trend reversal on the chart of gold or not. But yes, this may be just a sign that yes, a trend reversal is coming soon on the chart of gold. But for today, I think that taking a buy at support will be the best strategy for us. And the support levels are 1890 to 1893. This support here. Then we have got support around 1880 to 1876. Okay, and then we have some support around 1868, 1867, 65, that particular level here. 50 moving average, the line here may also act as support right now, but we need to be careful. Okay, and secondly, we do not have any particular resistance on the chart. The resistance zone is far away, that is 1925 to 30. Okay, 1911, 1912 also may act as resistance, but we are not sure. So as of now, we are simply focused on protecting our capital and taking safe trades. Okay, that's all for today. Hopefully you got my point. My dear friends, keep in mind this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Please follow proper risk management. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.